Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with English grammar, direct and indirect speech, part 3. Dear students, already we have seen changing direct to indirect speech in assertive sentence, then question forms and imperative sentence. Today we are going to deal with exclamatory sentence. Okay, here the conjunction is that only. First you should know, because joyful, sorrowful, angry, everything is there. So we will see first one. Refers to exclaimed joyfully. Hooray, that means exclaimed with joy. Alas, exclaimed sorrowfully when someone is dead or something is lost. Then damn it, exclaimed angrily. Thank you, that means thanked. Sorry, apologized. Okay, we shall see. First example. He said to me, what a great idea. Step 1. Change the exclamatory sentence into a statement. So first you should know how to change it into a statement. What a great idea. That means it is a great idea. That is a statement. Okay. Step 2. Said to will become always exclaimed. In case of exclamatory sentence, when exclamation mark is there, you should use exclaimed. Step 3. Remove question and write that. Okay. Step 4. Change the verb is will become past tense was. He said to me, it is a great idea. This is the step 1. First step. He exclaimed in joy that it was a great idea. So step 1, you see step 1, we see first we are changing it into statement, and step 2 we are changing said to as exclaimed in joy. Then step 3 we are using the conjunction that. Then step 4 we are changing the verb present tense is as was. Dear students, we shall just see as a sum up. Okay, direct speech into indirect speech, how it is changed. In simple present, example I have given, she said I am happy. So how will it change? She said that she was happy. In present continuous, he said I am reading a book. So it will be changed as he said that he was reading a book. That must come. Simple past. She said Megan arrived on Tuesday. Arrived comes as past tense, no? So you have to use had plus verb 3. So she said that Megan had arrived on Tuesday. Past continuous. They said we were living in Paris. So they said that they had been living in Paris. Because it is past continuous, you have to use had been plus verb ing. Now we shall move on to the exercises. Rewrite the sentences in reported speech. That means you are changing direct to indirect. Okay. So first one. Mr. Chari said to his driver, drop me at my office and pick me up at 3 p.m. So what will be the answer? Mr. Chari asked his driver to drop him at his office and pick him up at 3 p.m. So this is imperative sentence. So it is being done like this. Second one, the teacher said to the students, we are going on an excursion to Kerala next week. The teacher told the students that they were going on an excursion to Kerala the following week. Next week will become the following week. Third one, Nagaraj said to his father, will you allow me to go on an excursion to Kerala? Answer, you see, Nagaraj asked, because this is an yes or no question. So you have to use the conjunction if. Nagaraj asked his father if he would allow him to go on an excursion to Kerala. Fourth one, Valli said to Vimala, you may find this some difficult if you do not learn the formula. So changing into indirect speech, Valli told Vimala that she might, may will become might, she might find, this will become that some difficult if she did not learn the formula. So we see here, Valli told Vimala that she might find that some difficult if she did not learn the formula. Fifth one, Veena said to his friend, how beautiful your handwriting is. This is exclamatory sentence. So Veena applauded her friend saying that her handwriting was very beautiful. So or exclaimed, okay, to her friend, that also you can say. Sixth one, Shankar said to his teacher, ma'am, I had prepared my project assignment but I forgot to bring it. See here, Already had prepared is there, so it doesn't undergo any change. But forgot will undergo change. Okay, had forgotten. Shankar told to his teacher is coming. No, told to will not come. Shankar told his teacher that he had prepared his project assignment, but he had forgotten to bring it. Seventh one. Father said to his son, don't be worried. I am sure you will do well in the exam. So answer is father comforted his son not to be worried, because it is imperative sentence. Don't comes means you have to use not. So don't be worried will become not to be worried, and added, is adding another sentence, no, and added that he was sure he would do well in the exam. Next exercise, rewrite the following in indirect speech. First one, I said it is late. So answer will be I said that it was late. Second one, Rita said I am singing for the play. So answer is Rita said that she was singing for the play. Third one, you see, he said I am learning French these days. So he said that he was learning French. These will become those. So he said that he was learning French those days. Okay, make a correction. Fourth one, she says I am a little bit nervous. You know, says reporting verb is present tense means, and the quotation marks all inside the quotations, there will not be major changes. Okay, answer, she says that she is a little bit nervous. Okay, so am will become is only. Next, fifth one, he said I want to buy this book. He said that he wanted to buy that book. Sixth one, you see, they said, sir, the time is over. So they said respectfully that the time was over. Okay. Seventh one, you see, she said, I visited Oxford University yesterday. So she said that she had visited. Why visited past tense? No, you have to use past perfect. She said that she had visited Oxford University the previous day. Yesterday will become the previous day. Moving on to eighth one. My father said, I am going to see him tonight. My father said that he was going to see him that night. Tonight means it will become that night. Okay, moving on to ninth one. Dad said, I was fixing the faucet. Faucet means, you know, tap. So, Dad said that he had been fixing, because verb plus ing is there, no, you have to use had been fixing the faucet. Okay. Last one, you see, Tom said, I enjoy watching action movies. Tom said that he enjoyed watching action movies. Dear students, so far we have seen changing direct to indirect speech. Now we shall move on to the next topic, that is indirect speech to direct speech. Okay, the rules should be applied in a reverse manner from indirect to direct speech. Reporting verb, told, asked, ordered, exclaimed, requested, suggested, advised should be changed into said to. Note down this point. All these words will be changed to said to. Punctuation mark, that is comma, question mark, exclamative mark, inverted commas should be used according to the sentence. Conjunction, remove the conjunctions like that, if, to, not to. Okay. Tense change. Tense should be changed in a reverse manner. Don't change the tense in imperative sentence. Remember, tense will not be changed in the following places. That is universal truth, proverb, seasonal, then scientific truth. Before we move into the actual topic, you should note these points. Okay. In interrogative sentence, do, did, does should be used for the transitive verb. Write the subject after the auxiliary verb. Write the suitable words like hooray, bravo, alas, ah, damn it in exclamatory sentence. Remove the word very and use words like what, how. Dear students, we are changing indirect to direct speech. First we are going to focus on assertive sentence. Okay. First point you see, told should be changed into said to. And secondly, remove the word that and open the quotation. Okay, look at the pronoun and see whom does the pronoun refer to and change it into noun. Fourthly, change the past tense into present tense, and if it is given in past perfect tense, change it into past tense. And fifthly, change the word which denotes the timings like then, the next day, the previous day, the etc. are. Okay. Now we'll move on to the example. Anjali told Kavita that she was going to the movie then. So first step, told will become said to. Second step, remove that and open quotation. Okay. Step 3, she refers to Anjali, so it will become she. Fourth step, was is in past tense, no, you have to use am. Then fifth step you see, then will become now. And sixth step, close the quotation. So the answer will be Anjali said to Kavita, I am going to the movie now. Okay. Next we shall move on to interrogative sentence, that is question sentences, WH form as well as yes or no form. So firstly, asked should be changed into said to. Secondly, open the quotation in a WH question form. Why, who, what, where, whose, whom, when, how. Write the same WH word as it is. So it does not undergo any change. Moving on to B, that is yes or no question form, means do, does, did, have, has, are, is, was, were, can, will, shall, may. Thirdly, you see, cancel the be verb and write it before the subject. For example, where are you going? Then fourth one, change the past tense into present tense, and if it is given in past perfect tense, change it into past tense. Okay. Fifthly, you see, change the word which denotes the timings like then, the next day, the previous day, there, etc. into are. Okay. So dear students, we shall move on to WH question form. Naveen asked his friend why he was late that day. So first step you see, asked will become said to. Second step, open the quotation and write why, because it doesn't undergo any change. That is the connecting word here. And third step, cancel the verb and write it before the subject. Are you? That means why are you? Fourth step, he refers to the friend. So you. Step 5, you see, where will become present tense, are or is. And sixth step, that day will become today. And seventh step, you have to close quotation. Naveen said to his friend, why are you late today? So Naveen said to his friend. So said to is step 1, why is step 2, are is step 4, you is step 5, and step 6 today. Okay, moving on to next B. Vidya asked Devi where she had kept her book. First step, asked will become said to. Second step, open the quotation and write where, question word where. Then third step, identify the past perfect tense. Change it into past tense. That is, had kept will become did plus keep, that is kept. Then fourth step, she refers to his friend, you. Did you keep? Then fifth step, her will become my. And sixth step, close the quotation. So Vidya said to Devi, where did you keep my book? Step 1, said to. Okay. Step 2, where. Step 3, did. Step 4, you. Step 3, keep. Step 5, my book. So dear students, hope you have understood up to this, and we shall continue the rest in the next class. Thank you.